How to turn off auto-delete apps on iPhone. First, go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Once you're in the Settings application, you need to find the Apps options. Then, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Tap on Apps over here. Then, you'll be brought to this page where you will find all the applications on your phone. From here, you need to open the App Store application. Once you're in, you can make necessary changes to the app. Now, scroll down to the very bottom. Then, toggle off the Offload Unused Apps option. Once you've turned this off, your iPhone won't automatically remove unused apps. It will keep those unused apps till you uninstall them manually. So by following these simple steps, you can easily turn off auto-delete apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.